This video tutorial explains the focus peaking function of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Select Focus, and then click Peaking to enable and add this feature. The focus peaking function has 10 adjustable parameters: style, grayscale level, sensitivity, peak thresh, brightness, contrast, thickness, peaking frame, mark, and color. Click Styles to choose from 3 focus display styles: color, grayscale, and color edge enhanced. When color edge enhanced is selected, the parameters for grayscale level, peak thresh, thickness, and color are not adjustable. Click Grayscale Levels to select from 100%, 50%, or 0% grayscale levels, depending on your preference. Click Sensitivity to adjust the sensitivity level. The higher the sensitivity, the clearer the focus areas will be, and the wider the peak distribution will be. Click Peak Thresh to adjust the peak size. The lower the peak value, the more peak distribution there will be in the focus area. Click Brightness to adjust the overall brightness of the image. Click Contrast to adjust the overall contrast of the image. Scroll up the menu and click Thickness to adjust the thickness of the focus peaks. Click Peaking Frame to adjust the distribution of the focus peaks in the image. You can use parameters such as X starred, Y starred, wide, and height to adjust the layout of the focus peaks. Click Reset to restore the original values. Click Mark to hide the areas without focusing peaks. Click Color to choose from 4 peak colors: white, red, green, and blue. That's the full introduction to the Focus Assist function on CINENORM series monitors.